How to connect Zendrop to Etsy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to connect your Zendrop together with Etsy over here. So if you check out the different platforms that you could actually connect to Zendrop, as you can see, you only have three options over here. So how do we do our connection? So what you're going to use is Shopify over here. You're first going to simply connect your Shopify store with your Zendrop. So simply click on continue and you will be able to connect it whether it's manually or so on and so forth. And after you connected it with your Shopify, what you're going to do next is you're going to go to your apps in Shopify and you're simply going to connect your Shopify and Etsy together to be able to establish a bridge between those two platforms. So over here, simply search for Etsy and you will be able to see all types of stores or apps that would allow you to integrate Etsy and Shopify. So for example, we have this one, Etsy integration by QuickSync. Now what this app do is it will sync any product from your Shopify into your Etsy store. So if you get products from Zendrop and transfer it into your Shopify, your Etsy app over here will recognize that Shopify has a populated products, which will then transfer it back to Etsy. So Shopify will act as a bridge for you to connect these two platforms. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.